Have you ever wondered why we sleep? Why we dream? What happens in our brains during those mysterious hours of slumber? Join me as we delve into the fascinating science of sleep and dreams. Sleep isn't just about resting our bodies. It's a crucial process for our physical and mental well-being. During sleep, our brains are hard at work, consolidating memories, repairing tissues, and regulating hormones. Dreams are a mysterious and often bizarre part of our sleep experience. While we're asleep, our minds create vivid, often illogical, and sometimes even prophetic stories. But what do dreams mean? Science is beginning to unlock the secrets of dreams. Studies show that dreams are linked to our emotions, memories, and even our waking life experiences. We can take steps to improve the quality of our sleep and enhance our dreams. Here are some tips. Sleep and dreams are integral parts of our lives. By understanding the science behind them, we can unlock their potential for our health and well-being. Have you ever wondered why we sleep? Why we dream? What happens in our brains during those mysterious hours of slumber?